theme for us, which is what? Power is synergy. And you know, synergy, when you take synergy, 1 plus 1 is not 2. 1 plus 1 is 3, or 1 plus 1 is 5, or even 1 plus 1 is 10.
Thinking outside the box. Kasi napansin ko lahat ng team parang very similar yung structure nila. Pero sa amin, iba.
Ang natutunan namin sa activity is resourcefulness. It's building something with what you have rather than what you like to have.
Natutunan po namin na minsan kailangan po namin mag-focus. Parang po yung mga naging pagkakamali natin. Parang next time, better na po yung gagawin natin.
Siguro yung improvise kasi although merong specific design for of course yung design na ginawa namin based on sa akin to bigger.
What does synergy mean? The action or the activity of one person or one group. So the result of one team or one group or one person, if you add it to the result of one team, one group or one person, is when you add them together, when you have synergy, you just don't add them. The result is much more than the individual results of the 1 plus 1. It's not synergy, it's 1 plus 1 equals more than 2.